Harley Benton Spaceship 80 is currently the biggest, cheapest option for pedal boards on Thomann.de or the Harley Benton range if you're buying it elsewhere. I'm not sure, do they sell them elsewhere? What you get is a massive carrier bag. It's padded, has a pretty basic strap which doesn't look like it would be massively comfortable, but it looks like it would work. The fittings are all very good quality. This is like a climbing hook on clip thing. Looks very sturdy and reliable. Easy to detach as well, if you ever wanted to for some reason. Same on this side. It's reinforced pretty well. It has some rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't slip if you're standing it up, which is fairly difficult to do because it's very long and skinny. It has one pocket on it, which is a bit of a shame. Most other bags I've used, gig bags for these kind of things, have had either a much larger pocket or multiple pockets, but it's probably more than enough for what I need. Opens by a zip. It comes with plenty of Velcro to stick your pedals down. Kind of a huge amount of Velcro actually. And also comes with an Allen key and some elastic straps to attach your power supply to the bottom. And it came packaged with silica gel to keep it safe in transport, which is always nice. It's two hand carry straps that can attach together, Velcro together like so, and that has a much nicer padded part just to make it easier on your hands, but it needs to be opened in order to open up the zip to the main section. So another thing to note, these zips include the ability to lock the case. Not that I would ever use that, but I suppose some people might want it. And then the actual pedal. Inside, actually first, there is padding all around. Feels like a thin strip of foam of some kind, and some kind of hard cardboard or plastic behind that. The same on the back. The sides just seem to be foam. Might not hold up to plane travel very well, but for local gigs and that, and just to keep your pedal board safe at home, would be perfect. So, what you have then is pretty simple. Metal frame, 5 horizontal parts. It comes pre-covered in Velcro, which is nice, so you don't have to do any work sticking it down yourself. All you have to do is add the hook part of the Velcro onto the back of your pedals and arrange them whatever way you want. It comes with 3 risers, which are adjustable. The feet are on ball sockets, so they can be adjusted to make it level on an uneven surface. At the back we have a spot to slot in a power supply, which you can then attach using the elasticated strips. You can also adjust the position of the horizontal slats using the Allen key on these screws on the back. I think I will probably just leave them as is though. And then just rubber feet on the front to help prevent sliding. Now, to give you an idea of the actual size of the board, this is a Hammond 1590B, which is one of the most common guitar pedal sizes, if not the most. So you can just see you can fit an awful lot of these on here. You could probably do 2 lines, maybe 3. Yeah, 3 lines I'd say. Another comparison I want to show you guys is my old pedal board, what I have been using at gigs. So just lay it over it. You can see I have 9 pedals on this board. It could fit 10, except this is a double sized. Could possibly fit slightly more if I just rearranged and tightened everything up, or used the smaller mini pedals, the 1590A sized enclosures. But yeah, you can fit everything I have on this board, plus 2 to 3 more, plus 2 to 3 more, plus a line extra on the bottom. The line extra on the bottom I will most likely be using for a loop switcher, which the width of it would only be big enough to fit underneath this board anyway. And then some more room for extra pedals so I can actually fit everything I own on it. All in all, it's a very good purchase. It's a bit too big, I think, for most people. It will be a chore to lug it around, and it might be a bit difficult to fit it on stage if you're at a smaller venue. But for a serious shoegaze musician, I think it's a must. And it's excellent quality. It's maybe a third of the price of a comparable pedal train board, while being essentially functionally identical. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check back for more content. I'll be uploading 1 video every Sunday, and then another on alternating Wednesdays from now on. Thanks.